Okay, our next section is spacecrafts in motion. This is part 17. It's about what I do is I Google the words and then I find what it has to say about it. So it came up with Aerospace. NASA has experimented using ferrofluids in a closed loop as the basis for a spacecraft's attitude control system. A magnetic field is applied to a loop of ferrofluid to change the angular momentum and influence the rotation of the spacecraft. So I think what I was thinking of here, this is Wikipedia ferrofluid. What I was trying to find out is if you spin an aircraft faster, you know how the original thingy, where you go, diagram, this thing here, see this stays stable. And this thing here supposedly spins really fast and it helps it to travel through space. So I was looking to see if that was a possibility, and it does talk about rotation of spacecraft. So a strong magnet placed near the voice coil, which produces heat, will attract cold ferrofluid more than hot ferrofluid, thus forcing the heated ferrofluid away from the electric voice coil and toward a heat sink. This is an efficient cooling method in which requires no additional energy input. So if you need to cool the inside of your spacecraft or your engines, this is something you would use. Ferrofluids of suitable composition can exhibit extremely large enhancement in thermal conductivity. 300% of the base fluid thermal conductivity. Sorry, I don't know how to read these symbols. The large enhancement is K and due to the efficient transport of heat through percolating nanoparticle paths. Special magnetic nanofluids with tunnable thermal conductivity to viscosity ratio can be used as multifunctional smart materials that can remove heat and also arrest vibrations. So it'll stop. One of the things that happen when your spaceship goes through outer space is because of the friction and everything, it heats it up and it starts to vibrate, which can cause it to break up. So such fluids may find applications in microfluid devices and microelectromechanical systems. Again, it's almost like everything I find is where they talk about this is what it can do, but this is what it can be used for, but again, these are theories that I've found that can be connected and used for what we want.